Hello everyone, welcome to the next video getting started with the ASP.NET Core using Visual Studio. So in this video we're going to see how we can easily create an ASP.NET Core project or web application and to start developing. So the tools we are going to use is Visual Studio 2015. So you can download the Community Edition or the Professional Ultimate Edition, and you also need the ASP.NET Core tooling to be installed. And if you're on Windows 7, you also have to install Visual C++ redistributable. So how this video in debugging.io website accompanied with the slides. So slide deck, you can actually find a reference on this slide deck to get the reference links. So let's get started. So to create your first ASP.NET Core project in Visual Studio, all you have to do is you will be using our good old Visual Studio templating system only. So you'll just go to create a new project and select ASP.NET Web Application. So let's see how that can be done. And you can see that just go create new project and select whatever language you have. So basically Visual C Sharp, and under that web, and select ASP.NET Web Application and select OK. It will give you this dialog, the new dialog. So if you choose any of the above one, which comes under 4.6 or 4.5, depends on what you have installed, you will get the good old web forms or MVC or web API application. But if you should see this section which causes ASP.NET 5 templates. So you can see that you have ASP.NET 4.6 templates and ASP.NET 5. So this will be soon changed to ASP.NET Core templates. So you would see empty web API and web application, and you should select the web API or the web application section. Depends on what kind of ASP.NET Core project you would like to create, and also make sure that you can uncheck this host in the cloud for the time being. So once you create your project, you would get this basic projects automatically created by the Visual Studio templating system. So you can see that I've created a project name VS ASP.NET Core, and then you will get your the entire project system. Basically, we have www root folder, and since I have chosen MVC, so you would get controllers and the MVC, the views and other detail, other files and folder structures. Okay, and you can actually start debugging just by clicking on this. So this is the same as the old way of doing it. So you can just start onto your application, and it'll automatically compile and get the application up and running for you. So this is how you run your first ASP.NET Core application using Visual Studio. And to get these automatically running, make sure that you have the tooling installed as I gave in the slide deck reference in the debugging.io portal. So going back to our slide, so we have done this using the new project system, and we've selected web application, and we got the MVC, and here's what we get in our um, Visual Studio. And then you just go to the debug menu and start debugging, and you have your application, and we got our first application running ASP.NET Core MVC app. Okay, so I've given the references in the video, and please do check or download this the tools, and then get it started with developing your first application in Visual Studio Core. And this is for Visual Studio, actually the community edition or the full version. But say if your choice of IDE is Visual Studio Code or some other IDEs like Sublime Text or Vim, I have other couple of videos which covers that, how to get started with VS Code or Sublime Text. So please watch the next video to understand more about that. Thank you for watching.